finally about that time that we finally reveal these freaking headlights to you guys. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For the ones that don't know, my name is Bella, and if you're new or haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it helps get our channel out there. And oh my goodness, it is finally about that time that we finally reveal these freaking headlights to you guys. Especially if you didn't go to Import Alliance when I was there, you know, the lights, they were done and everything. And a few of you got to see them, but I would say like for a majority of you, you guys haven't seen them and you guys have been waiting, and I have been waiting to post this freaking video. TRS, the Retrofit stores, have already posted their video 2 days ago by the time you'll see this video, so that link will be in there. Also, they kind of get a little bit in depth as to what they use and how they, you know, open the lights and everything. I'm not going to be showing you with the light on, with the headlight right now, because obviously it's like, you know, really bright out, and I'm going to wait until like the sun goes down, or just wait until it's at least like nighttime so that you guys can see it with, you know, the underglow and everything on. And so yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like on the outside and just kind of explain what they did and everything. And yeah, all right, y'all ready? Ta-da! So if you don't have Spec lights or just aren't aware of what they look like, I'll put a picture of what they're supposed to look like and compare the two, because originally the Spec lights come with one projector at the top, not two. So what they ended up doing is they ended up adding this chrome housing, this little second projector, and this one is supposed to be this, well, not supposed to, this one is the demon eye, so this one does change colors. We wanted to add like the RGB strip also when I have like the sequential when I'm turning. Well, unfortunately they just don't have that strip. Are able to do that. The thing is like I feel like it would just be too much, if you know what I mean, because you would have like the demon eye changing colors, and you would have like, you know, the RGB strip changing colors, and I feel like it would just be too much, and I just didn't want to rice it out. I personally think it looks cool. We also did want to add like a halo. I don't think it was just working out, and it would have been cool because it would have had like the same like design on the halo as the DRL does. So it would have been nice to have that too, but again, it wouldn't have worked out. They also did like change the bulb, so the lights are brighter. I did have like white lighting, but the thing is like it was just never angled properly, so I was like blinding people, but I just think it adds like an extra something. And of course, some of you might be asking, so how does it hold up during weather conditions? Headlights did get tested when we did go to import, because if you watch that video, it was freaking pouring like crazy. Noticing that fortunately it did get some condensation in it, but we figured out the issue, and so yeah, we're just gonna go back and tweak it, and it should be like perfect. And it's just like a little bit of just adding a little bit more glue, and it should be fine. I also did get new side markers, because the ones that I had before, they were like yellowing and they were getting condensation inside, and they also weren't sequential. I'm probably just gonna do that while the sun goes down, that way we kill time, and then by the time it's nighttime I can give you guys like a proper like montage. So I got my little tabs that came with the side markers, and let's just go in, see if this helps. I got a knife to cut some wire if we need to. So it is the green and white wire for the driver's side, and then it should be like purple and orange, I think, for the passenger. Okay, so that's what it should look like. And again, it's the green and white wire, and I just kind of like stripped a little bit of like the little the green and white surrounding the copper wire, just so that it makes like contact with the metal piece on the top. And then I'm going to close it and then stick the red wire on the other side of the top, and I'll show you guys what I mean by that. I'm just going to take the red wire and then attach it to that side. So that red wire should go in through there. Alright, for the passenger side, it's going to be the purple and white one. So we're going to do the same thing. Dude, this side was a little bit more annoying to do because they have like that little zip tie wrapped around up there, and yeah, but we got it. Alright, so had to change the camera battery because the shit was dying, and had to get my little tool set. And I swear, like, I be getting made fun and shit like for having like a small little tool set, but hey, like at least I, you know, got something. Okay, so fortunately I'm gonna have to freaking take off my little the coolant shit, like where the extra, like the overflow thing goes, because I have so much freaking wire that they added to make the demon eyes work, And so I think it's a 10. I'm hoping it's a 10. Of course, it's always a 10. It's always a freaking 10. Alright, for the passenger side, it's going to be the purple and white one. So we're going to do the same thing. Like I said, Amazon. These are fire. It's a Mustang. I'm just kidding. Alright, we got it. I actually had to fix it again because the shit kept like turning off, but now we got it. But I'm going to show you guys again like what it all looks like and stuff with the beam and eye tooth. So let's just wait till it's nighttime. Alright y'all, so it is about that time and it's not as dark as I wanted it, but it's gonna have to do. I'm gonna do my best to try to get you guys clips to where you can see the lights changing colors. But yeah, I'm excited. Okay, y'all ready? Are you ready? Okay, so it is still freaking like hard to kind of see, but you kind of get the idea. And the way that you run these lights, I use the Morimoto app, and you go on here, and once you like connect to like your phone, you're able to change like the colors and everything, the speed. You could like customize your own colors. They have like different themes and stuff. Dude, it is so freaking dark. It got dark like so fast. Like there's still light out. Oh, what the hell. Again, huge shout out to the Retrofit stores for just giving me the opportunity to be able to work with you guys and just, you know, helping me, you know, restore the headlights. Like I said, you are able to get all of the supplies that they use to make this retrofit happen in the description box below, and hopefully you guys like the lights. I know we waited for like a long ass time for you guys to freaking see the reveal, and I do apologize about that, but it's just like, it is what it is, and hopefully it was worth the wait. I will say, if you are trying to retrofit your own headlights, specifically Spec D, like me seeing, you know, their first video of them just like opening everything, like it did not look hard at all. So I would say just give it a go and just see if you can do it. I mean, it seems pretty easy, although it might just be tedious with little bit things, but that's just what comes when you want to retrofit things. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. It is so dark. Okay, bye.